Thank you for watching Vibrant 256. It's an online channel, and this is Chris Nzamba giving you the latest hot entertainment news from here and there. Just subscribe to Vibrant 256 UG, watch, share, download, and comment. Bafana and Bebe Cool big size. Here, Ziza Bafana bitterly attacks Bebe Cool to vomit millions of Tiwahabura. It's today when this self-proclaiming Raga King Ziza Bafana has attacked the fellow singer Gargamel COO Bebe Cool, telling him to stop behaving selfishly. Just according to Ziza Bafana, he's saying that Bebe Cool was given money from President Museveni in the last election campaigns, give a hand to fellow artists, but Bebe Cool bought studio equipments that he's using right now at his home. Those are the words of Ziza Bafana, my friend. Because you know, Ziza Bafana has not been a good friend of Bebe Cool right away from some good years back. But I'm still confused why Bebe Cool is always colliding with these young artists. Because you know, his battle with King Sir, now it's Ziza Bafana. After some time we hear another singer, but that's what is there. It was Ziza Bafana who attacked. That's good with Bebe Cool. For him, he don't attack. It's other singers that attack him. And most of times, he used to give them a deaf ear. But I want to remind you, dear friend, please subscribe to Vibrant 256. Like, comment, and share. Yes, you are still with Chris Nzamba taking the hot entertainment news. Now I'm taking you to a lady. She's called Lilian Mbabaazi, and she was a wife to the late legend Mozy Radio. But after all these years, finally Lilian Mbabaazi opened up and confirmed that she's now ready for marriage again. She added on she wants a man who is God-fearing, a right man who is God-fearing, too lovely, and who will take care of her kids. You know, Lilian Mbabaazi had shared two kids with the late Mozy Radio. Actually, Lilian Mbabaazi was also a singer, cause you know her collab with Apas that catch up fire called Memories. If you still remember that song, Memories with Apas, it was a very beautiful song. But after the death of the husband Mozy Radio, she relaxed, she sat down. It's time to end Mozy Radio regime and start another generation. Thank you. Please subscribe if you have not yet. Please share. Please do everything and like. This is Chris Nzamba. Thank